Welcome to Priory Barn. We're in the charming village of Stegerty today, about 11 miles from Motorway Junction, and yet in the countryside, which is fantastic. We've got all the West Somerset coastline on our doorstep, but this property is exceptional. It's built about 1100 years ago, which is, when you think about that, it's quite staggering. It's not listed, and 25 years ago when it was restored, reputedly the owner spent 1.2 million just to get it back to its former glory. Our clients have further enhanced it. I can't wait to show you this truly exceptional home. In addition to the main house, above the triple garage block, we've actually got a one-bedroom apartment, which is a great way to bring in additional income, or of course, family member, friend parking. You can fill this with as many cars as you can think of. And then we've got the stable block, 3 generous stables, stallion stables, tack room as well, and a feed room, because at the front of the property originally was paddocked. It's now open, but could be re-enclosed if you did want to use it for equestrian purposes. On a beautiful day like today, this south-facing aspect onto the gardens and the paddock is gorgeous, and this orangery, currently used as a dining room with a seating area, is just a lovely additional living space. And of course, right next to the games room with the full-size snooker table is the wine room. Fancy a drink? It's a fair question to ask yourself that a property that was built around the time of the First Crusade, absolutely, how does that work as a home? Well, this is how it works. It's maybe medieval, but it's beautiful, and it's got amazing living spaces. We're on the first floor in the principal sitting room, drawing room, beautiful fireplace. It's gorgeous. So if you would like to buy possibly the oldest house on the market for sale in England at the moment, that combines luxury living with historical charm and beautiful gardens, give us a call.